Auto parts are arguably one of the least desirable things to buy, unless you're a DIY fanatic or restoring a wreck. You can't really display them, you can't have fun with them, they just attach to your vehicle and you set it and forget it. Talk about a bummer. One set of auto parts that we most begrudgingly buy is car tires. Think of them as the shoes of your car. They're expensive to purchase, but also one of the most important parts you need for your vehicle. You can't really expect to go anywhere on your wheels alone. To make purchasing these parts easier and more cost-effective, Toyota of Orlando is here with some tips to get you in the buying mood so you can save money and roll on without a hitch. Before we get into it, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest in Toyota auto service tips. Let's dive in. A simple question, yes, but arguably the most important. For most drivers, it might be preemptive to buy new car tires. For some, their current tires aren't quite finished rolling yet. To determine if you need a new set, use the quarter or penny test to see how deep the tread is. Pay attention to how they feel on the road, and look for any abnormalities like uneven wear, cuts, or chunks missing. You may not have driven much on your current set of tires, but if they're old, they gotta go. Aging tires are gradually deteriorating and will eventually give out, even if the tread and sidewall are well intact. If it's been over 5 years since you last got tires put on, it's time for a replacement. When shopping for new tires, it's important to purchase the correct size that's compatible with your wheels. To find out, look for a set of numbers and letters that look like 255/35R18. 255 translates to the tire's width in millimeters. 35 is the aspect ratio in height to width. R stands for radial, and 18 is the diameter in inches. Luckily, when shopping for new car tires, you don't have to resort to just pulling up to a place and taking whatever they offer. You have options. You can shop online for convenience and price variety, but you'll have to find a place to install the tires for you. You can browse with a dedicated tire shop where they'll have plenty of options and will likely include installation with the purchase price, but the cost of a tire will be higher on average. Or you can visit a dealership where you'll have the benefits of installation and other services offered. But tires this way can be expensive and dealerships don't often carry too many options. Ready to shop for tires? Visit Toyota of Orlando today at 3575 Vineland Road.